resilient, I am brave, I am powerful, I am outspoken, and I like to voice my opinions. Women are powerful, women are strong, and women are kind. I think sports is currently giving me those wings to, wings on those days where I wish to fly. 2019 was a year where I became a world champion. So I think sports is giving me that ambition to dream big. Initially, it was very difficult for me where I had to educate people. I had to prove my worth every time if I wanted a project, if I wanted to lead a team, if I wanted to become a sports person, if I wanted to pursue playing a sport, or to even continue playing a sport. So I met with an accident on 2nd December 2011, around 9 years back. And this was I was 22, very young, and I was on my way to work, and I met with an accident with a truck, and I had a crush injury. It took me a lot of time to go from the accident spot to hospital, from one hospital to the other, multiple other things, and I lost a lot of time in this process. And I was there in hospital for 45 days, and when I came back I had lost my mobility. And when I came back I had to relearn everything from scratch. At one point I thought, people when they leave, when they meet, I mean, when they undergo a life changing situation, they restart from where they, I mean, they start from where they left. But for me, I had to restart from scratch. I had to relearn how to walk. I had to relearn how to adjust. I have to fight multiple stereotypes in the society. First, as a woman, and second, as a person with disability. And trust me, the stereotypes associated with both these sections of society are tremendous. When I started playing was in with my physical disability, will I be able to pursue the sport to the best possible way? Like in SL3 only there are multiple disabilities. So my disability in my category I can say is one of the highest. To be a world champion also in the same field, I think that was a barrier that I had to break. I mean, I can go on. I mean, when I came to Hyderabad and I started finding accommodation, Hyderabad is a city where if it's a 3 BHK, people will have 3 flatmates. And I wanted to have, I wanted a sharing accommodation for myself as with 2 other girls. And always, people would reject me as their flatmate because people would think that they had to take care of me. There are times when I feel every day is a challenge to me. There are times when I feel like, no, I don't want to get up from my bed and wear my prosthetic leg and go to training. There are times when I feel super energetic. I don't care what people think about how big my ambitions are. I don't want to be judged. I like to make sure that what my ambitions are, I'm able to fulfill them. Sometimes I feel very sad that, we, even now in 2021, we have to ask for what is rightfully ours. And I want to live in a world where I don't have to ask. I just live freely, go freely, wear freely, love freely, and enjoy my life without having any inhibitions. And then I'll feel that, we as women are empowered. And I think education is empowering. Sports to me has empowered me. So when I saw my Barbie for the first time, and I realized that when young girls see something like this when they are growing up, they will realize that they can be anything. And the inclusion mindset, the ability to think different, it gets ingrained early in the childhood itself. And I think this is the world I want to live in, where everybody is a champion. My message to women will be: go out, ask for what is yours, ask for what is right, and don't get bogged down by people who are around you. Don't let people tell you that you can't do this. Just go out and shine, because it's you who has to shine.